welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been having an amazing 2024 so far. Happy spring equinox. It was the first day of spring yesterday. I hope it's an amazing season for all of us. So let's go ahead and get started on today's video because I've been so excited and anxious to do this for a couple of days now. So previously I did an unboxing video for Mindful Soul subscription box that I usually get every month. However, they also have a Divine Mindful Soul subscription box, which is usually a little bit bigger, so it has more things in it. And I've never gotten it before, so I am so excited to unbox this with you guys and see all the goodies that we have in here, because it's gonna be our first time together doing this. I know that the other one I usually get usually has about 6 to 7 things in there. So I'm not sure what this one has, but let's find out. I'm obsessed with their design. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. Like I mentioned in the other one, that they always give you like a booklet that tells you what you have in there, what they're good for, and all this good stuff. So over here we have an affirmation for ease. There you go. And it says it's all about keeping it simple and doing it well, and that's what I do, easily and routinely. Cute sticker. And they also have this that says you are divine, and it talks about the box, and it's also saying that there's exclusive divine items in here. And it seems like it's a magnet set of sunstone, howlite, sodalite, and green quartz, and a moonstone grave necklace. So there is those two things here. I'm assuming those are the extra things. Also has this card in there that says this is month book, The Joy of Well-Being, a practical guide to a happy, healthy, and long life. So this is amazing, because I had no idea that they even give you a book in the subscription box. So I am so excited because I'm a big reader. So let me put this over there because I'm way too excited right now. This is the book. It says The Joy of Well-Being, and it's by Colleen and Jason Waka. I'm not sure. I'm definitely butchering the name. But here is the first item in the subscription box, a whole book. And I tell you guys, I just love this brand. I love what they stand for. I love the things that they send you. I love that this is something that you can use for your spiritual and personal growth, and on top of that, of just self-care in general. This is just amazing. Look at this, y'all. These are the baggies. I love the orange color a lot. This is everything I have in the box. So let's go ahead and unbox the items together. So our first item is definitely the divine items, which is a moonstone grave necklace. Look how cute. So I just realized that the items in the orange bag are actually the exclusive divine items. So the second items that we have in here is the magnet set for with the crystals. As you can see that they have the magnets right there. I'm so excited for these. This is awesome. I'm gonna put them on my fridge. I'm gonna put great notes with them. And the second item here, we have our green Sheldoni bracelet, or I would say this is our third item, y'all. Actually, I lied. This is the fourth item. So for our fourth item here, we have a green Sheldoni bracelet. I absolutely love that green color. And it says that it's a protector from evil and will absorb negativity, which I need. And then for our fifth item, oh my God, I am obsessed. We have here the Boohoo Spirit necklace. I absolutely love layered necklaces. So this is amazing. Look at that, guys. Let me fix the up. Look at that. I love it. Next, we have a green quartz. Ooh, it seems like the theme of this box is green, which I love, and it clearly matches my nails. So, a whole beauty. Next item, we have a 7 chakras sun catcher. Never had a sun catcher before, so I am so excited to just have this up in my window and see those beautiful lights reflect from the sun. Then we have here a red smudge sage. Red smudge sage. Now the last thing that we have in this box is good vibes pin. And that's pretty much it. So far in this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you get the normal 6 things that you usually would get in a normal Mindful Soul subscription box. And then on top of that, you got 2 extra things and a book. Now the first box that I did the video for, it's about $42 and some change with tax. This one is about $62 and some change, you know, with tax. I personally think this is a great value for everything that you have in there. Like I mentioned before, crystals and crystal jewelry are really not cheap at all. So to be able to have all these things in one box for that price, you really can go wrong with that. Please keep in mind that me unboxing this box with you, it's because I truly love this brand. Really just love putting people on, especially when it's something that I am passionate about or believe in. So this is the purpose of this video. I wanted it to unbox this box with you to kind of like put you on. Maybe you've been looking for something to treat yourself for every month. So here it is. I'm gonna be putting their website in the description as well, so make sure you check it out. Just to let you know as well that they don't only have subscription box, that they have other products that you can just buy separately. So definitely go ahead and check their website out, and I hope that you like them. If you do decide to sign up, then let me know in the comments and let me know what you got in your first box, because I'm gonna be so excited for you. Clearly you can see how excited I am and the happiness in my face after unboxing this. I really feel like a kid every time I get this box, and now that I got the bigger one, I don't know if I can go back to the other normal subscription box. I think I want this every single time. Make sure that you also cleanse all the things that you receive from the box. I personally like the dry method cleansing, so most likely I'm gonna use that sage that came in the box to cleanse all of those items and claim them to be mine. So don't forget to do that part as well. That'll be all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If my videos resonate with you, then please make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button below. And love and peace, y'all.